In this chapter, we'll learn how to work with motion controller models in Unity's game mode and runtime. In the project panel, find the motion controller's prefab and add it to our scene. Now, let's look at the motion controller visualizer script. In the awake function, the script is subscribing to interaction source detected and interaction source lost events. The interaction source detected method calls start tracking controller, which then calls load controller model. Based on the alternate controller model setting, either the default controller model or the alternate controller model is loaded. Once the controllers have been loaded, these scripts then use motion controller info to find the transforms for specific controller elements. In a later chapter, we'll learn how to use these scripts to attach UI elements to the controllers. Switch back to Unity and save our scene. Click play, and in your headset, you'll be able to see the scene with the motion controllers, the detailed animations for button clicks, thumbstick movement, and touchpad highlights.